In this video, I'm going to go over what you need to do on Tuesday, June 23rd. So first, go to Activity 3, Lesson 1. You're going to review the vocabulary. So we learned some collocations, and I would like you to review the collocations. So for example, we have physical hazards. As always, play the audio. And then you can click on the card and then go on to the next one. Once you're done, return to Lesson 1. Then you're going to do a Sanico Connect pronunciation exercise to help you practice listening to and pronouncing these words. So you can read it this time. Chemical hazards. And then after that, there is a sentence. Okay, once you're finished all of the words, then click Submit and click the back button to return to Activity 3, Lesson 1. Then you can click Mark as done. Next, you're going to do another exercise where you will identify the workplace hazards. Watch the video about workplace hazards and then read the question. Which type of hazard is related to issues like faulty wiring and unguarded machines? Physical hazards. So you just have to say the answer, then you can go on to the next one. Once you're done, go back to Lesson 1. And next, you're going to review phrasal verbs and collocations that you can use when you're talking about hazards, especially hazards in the video that you will watch. Then you're going to do the Sanico Connect pronunciation exercise, and then there's a practice listening. So this is a WorkSafe BC listening. And again, this is just a practice listening, so you may do it as many times as you want. Don't forget that if it's a false question, type in the correct answer. If you can't hear it, click this. Once you're finished, you can click Finish Attempt and then Submit All and Finish. And then you can check your answers here. And click Finish Review. And then go back to Lesson 1. Next, there is another quiz, but it's based on the same video. Listen and then choose the right answer. Click Next Page, and then you're going to listen again, and then take notes. So you can just type in here, and after you type in there, you can submit all, and then you can take a look at the answers here, and then there's an example of notes here as well. And then you can click Finish Review, and then go back to Activity 3, Lesson 1. And then you can read the transcript. And if you want, you can play the video as you read the transcript. Once you're done, please make sure you do the self-assessment. So please watch both of your 811 videos and then do the self-assessment. Find your name, click on your name. At the top, there should be a new chart. So watch your videos as the caller and the nurse, and then do this. Don't forget to make sure you do the feedback notes. So this counts as your listening assessment as well. This is one of your listening assessments. So you want to make sure that you understand what the feedback is and then take notes. And on top of that, what you want to do is make sure that you post in the feedback forum. So thank you to these students who have already done it. Hopefully I will see more notes in the feedback forum. So again, this is part of your listening assessment. It's one of your listening assessments. And that's all for Activity 3, Lesson 1. Thanks for watching.